फाइनली अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं स्कूबा डाइविंग के लिए, जो आज के दिन का प्लान नहीं था बिल्कुल भी। हम लोग क्या करने जा रहे थे क्षितिज?
ग्लास कायाक में घूमने जा रहे थे।
ग्लास कायाक में जा रहे थे घूमने के लिए। हमें वहाँ पे टाइम स्लॉट नहीं मिला। हमने कहा चलो स्कूबा का कल का टाइम ले लेते हैं, बट वो कह रहे हैं कि अभी का स्लॉट अवेलेबल है, तो हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं। इससे मेरी बिल्कुल फट चुकी है। इट इज़ 180 रुपीज़ पर पर्सन, 180 USD पर पर्सन। आई एम सो सॉरी, मैं इंडिया के बाहर हूँ, मैं भूल जाती हूँ। सो इट्स 180 पर पर्सन USD। वी हैव टू गो टुवर्ड्स स्कूबा। अभी तो ये मेरा फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट है, पता नहीं मैं अंदर जाऊँगी नहीं जाऊँगी। आई थिंक ही विल सपोर्ट मी टू डू दैट।
You will be our diving instructor.
You will be the one?
I would be doing more the training sessions.
Okay.
And
So who will be the one?
Instructor 5 will take you.
You tell him no?
Yes.
That I'm afraid enough.
Don't worry, she's on good hands. I'd like you to put the signature in your name.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. You. So first we'll do the classroom. After that we'll give you the equipment. Then we'll go to the water.
Opens the door to endless possibilities. But there are a few things you'll need to know before you're ready to jump in and take that first breath underwater.
Yeah, do it before you feel the pain and do it frequently.
Okay.
And
What we're supposed to do actually?
you have to hold your nose. Try to blow out from the nose. When you try to blow
Okay,
out from
okay.
you
Open.
can hear popping out.
Okay, okay.
The same thing you do on the airplane. But what we would like you to do is do not wait until you feel severe pain. Do that before you feel the pain. Means you are having a problem. Yeah, but if when you show only problem, we don't know where you have the problem.
Okay.
So it's very important.
One hand on the problem object and dance. Okay.
Point first where you have the problem. For example, ear problem. Ear problem.
ठीक है.
Mask problem.
Okay.
Then you remember up. This is not good. This is up.
Okay.
Down.
Okay.
That's it. Remember those two.
Okay.
finally I did it. Actually, we did it. He did better than me, obviously because I'm afraid of deep water. Still, I tried and it was amazing experience. Everybody should come and enjoy this. This is a one-time achievement, that opportunity that you can get just in $180, and it was damn amazing. So they were recording our videos also inside the water with the GoPro. Although I was having mine GoPro, but I did not use it because या तो मैं अपने आप को बचा लूँगी या मैं GoPro use कर लूँगी. So we chose कि वो लोग ये video record करें. बहुत ही amazing experience. I found so many fishes. I found octopus. I found what was that fish name?
Nemo fish.
Nemo and that octopus or the thing.
Calamari.
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 So we found that also, and I was showing actually instructors. These are the fishes, the big fish and the small fish. So I did each and everything. If you are a non-swimmer, you should come and enjoy each and everything. Now what he's doing is he's transferring the data from his GoPro to our mobile phone so that we can have our data, what we did. I don't know actually what I did and what he shot, but मेरे को इतना पता, मैंने 2-3 बार एक्शन कर रहे थे, वो obvious वीडियो में आए होंगे, और I think that made my day. So this was wonderful. Okay, so he's the one who took us for the scuba dive, but he will introduce which company is it, how many years it is going on, and what is actually this company does.
We are from Carpe Diem Maldives. This is a company operating riverboats in diving industry. It's been more than 12 years. Mainly we do riverboats around the Maldives, and we run the dive center plus the water sports of this island.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You should subscribe my channel. That's a travel vlog by the name of Rich Ritesh. Oh, thank you.